Our session will start our session today. Yesterday we had completed permutation and combination, and today we will complete, today and tomorrow we will complete probability. So this is P, nothing but what? Probability of an event. Formula is what? Any means what? Number of event upon number of sample space. Where any means what? Number of event divide ns means what? Number of sample space. Number of sample space nothing but total outcome. Remember this, total outcome. I will explain this. याच्यामध्ये एक नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं probability of an event. This is very IMP. This can be a note. Probability of an event either greater than, either less than, or equal to 1. हे नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा. Probability of an event less than 1 or equal to 1. If you get probability answer more than 1, it means तुम्ही कुठेतरी चुकलेला आहात. प्रोबॅबिलिटीचा आन्सर एक तर इक्वल टू 1 असायला पाहिजे किंवा लेस दॅन 1. रिमेंबर दिस. वेअर सपोज इफ आय हॅव वन कॉइन, रिमेंबर दिस. इफ यू टॉस वन कॉइन and probability means nothing but what? Uncertainty. That is called what? Possibility. Just a live example, whenever you see match, they always toss coin. So त्याच्यामध्ये if you toss one coin, what are the possibilities you will have? Either you will get head or tail. So these are the what? Two possibilities you will have, and this two is nothing but what? Number of sample space. That is called what? Total outcome. Please remember this. सगळ्यांना दिसतंय का? प्लीज रिप्लाय. बिकॉज गार्गे सेइंग की तिला दिसत नाहीये. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? ओके, गार्गी इज आस्किंग टू राइट इट डाउन. ओके, नो गार्गी, मी खालीच लिहितोय. ओके, 1 minute. आय जस्ट सेट द कॅमेरा. 1 minute. Okay. Now if you toss one coin, what is the possibility? Either you will get head or tail. Then there are two possibilities, and that is nothing but what? Your total number of sample space. If you get two coin, if you toss two coin, what are the possibilities? You will get head, tail, head, and tail, head. So these are the nothing but what? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the nothing but what? 4 possibilities. So this 4 is nothing but what? Total number of sample space, also called what? Total number of outcome. This is for what? One coin. So please write it down this. What is the formula? Probability of an event is equal to what? Number of event upon number of sample space, where number of sample space nothing but what? Total number of outcome. So note is what? Probability of an event either equal to 1 or less than 1. It never more than 1. And if you toss one coin, what are the chances you'll have? Either head or tail. So that is total number of chances 2. That is nothing but your number of sample space. 2 coin, what are the chances you'll have? Head, tail, head, tail, and tail, head. So there are 4 chances. So that is nothing but your number of sample space. Please write it down this. Just clear everyone? And if you toss one dice, suppose if you roll one dice, then what is the possibility? One dice. So dice has what? How many faces? Dice has 6 faces, and on each faces you will find dot, like 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5, like 6 dot, because there are 6 faces. So you can write one dice means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So total number of outcomes are what? 6. This is nothing but your number of sample space. Please remember this. For one dice, if you take 2 dice, So what are the possibilities? 2 dice, see, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, and then same way 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, same way 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, like this you will get. So total number of, so where you will find 6 columns and 6 rows, remember this. So total number of outcome when you rolled 2 dice, that is nothing but what? 36, remember this. 1 dice ला 6 आहे, so it doesn't mean की 2 dice ला 12 असणार. So 2 dice साठी किती आहे? 6 into 6, because where you will find 6 columns and 6 rows. So that is the multiplication of 6 into 6, that is comes what? 36. Please write down this. Yes. This clear, everyone? Good evening, Rushali. Hope everyone has noted down this. Please reply. Aditi, where is Nihal? She hasn't joined yet. Okay, now we'll start with questions. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll start with questions. See, now remember here what happened. Probability वरती maximum time of question जे तुम्हाला विचारले जातात, that is nothing but a bag contains red color ball, white color balls, and maybe yellow color balls, and we have to draw 2 or 3 balls from that and then find out what is the probability. So maximum type number of question based on what? Balls. So we'll try to see questions on that only. So write down question number 1 first. Question number 1. A bag contains 4 red balls. See, there is a bag. There is a bag. A bag contains red ball 4 आहे, green ball 6 आहे, and blue balls 5 आहे. And if 3 balls are drawn, see. So now pay attention. Red ball 4, green ball 6, and blue ball 5. So total number of balls comes to what? 15. Remember this. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. And we have to draw 3 balls. So they have clearly mentioned if 3 balls are drawn, what is the, that 2 of them are green. So we have to find what is the probability that 2 of them are green. So 2 of them are green and one of them is blue. See, now question काय समजून घ्या. In a bag there are 4 red balls, there are 6 green balls, and there are 5 blue balls. So total number of balls in a bag of different colors is what? 15. And from that 15 cha combination, see, why I have used here C, because we are going to draw now, we are going to select now. So we have used here what? Combination. And entire, remember, entire probability is based on combination, not on permutation, please. So here we have to draw how many balls? Here we have to draw 3 balls, and 3 balls मध्ये 2 of them are what? Green color. So ह्या 3 मध्ये 2 काय पाहिजेत? Green colors, and 1 should be of what? Which color? 1 should be of what? Blue color. Remember this. So now see, here they have used what? And. So and means nothing but what? Confirm probability. And yesterday I have told you, if and असेल, so what we will use? Into. And either plus असेल, so what we will use? Or maybe or असेल, or possibility. So what we will use? Plus. Remember this. हे मी तुम्हाला काल सांगितलं होतं. So whenever they use and means nothing but what? Confirm probability. So we will use multiplications. Whenever they say or, so we will use plus sign. So here we will use what? Multiplication. So now see here. First what we will do? First we will try to find number of sample space. So how do we find number of sample space? Number of sample space is depends on number of ball you draw. So total number of combinations we have what? 15. 15 च्या combination मध्ये you are supposed to draw how many balls? 3 balls. So 15C3. So yesterday I have told you how to do this. 15 into 14 into 13. आता हे कसं केलं बघा, खाली 3 दिलेलं आहे, तर वरती 15 पासून खाली डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डरला 3 वेळा मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. 15 into 14 into 13 divide 3 into 2 into 1. Remember this. This clear everyone? Okay. So now what we'll see now? 2 sevens are and 3 5s are. So finally answer is what? 13 sevens are 91 into 5. So now see, इथे either तुम्ही मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं तरी चालेल, पण जर तुम्ही मल्टिप्लिकेशन नाही केलं तर पुढे डिवाइड करताना तुम्हाला फार इझी पडेल. सो लेट इट बी दिस व्हॅल्यू ॲज इट इज ओनली, डू नॉट डू मल्टिप्लिकेशन, राईट. लेट इट बी सी, अदरवाइज मल्टिप्लिकेशन इज गोइंग टू बी वॉट 455, बट कीप ॲज इट इज ओनली. नाउ व्हॉट विल फाइंड नंबर ऑफ इव्हेंट, बिकॉज सी व्हॉट इज माय फॉर्म्युला, प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ एन इव्हेंट is equal to what? Number of event upon number of sample space. So we got number of sample space. Now we want what? Number of events. So how do we find number of event? Number of event साठी, see, to find number of event त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय, you are going to draw 3 balls from which 2 balls are going to be a what? Green balls and 1 ball should be a blue ball. सो जर मला 2 ग्रीन बॉल पाहिजे असतील त्या 3 मध्ये, तर ते ग्रीन बॉल ग्रीन मधनच येणार. तर हाऊ मेनी ग्रीन बॉल वी हॅव हियर? 6. तो त्या 6 मधून किती आले? 2. रिमेंबर दिस. त्या 6 ग्रीन बॉल मधनं 2 ग्रीन बॉल आपण काढले. अँड म्हणजे काय येणार? इनटू. नाउ आय वॉन्ट व्हॉट? 1 बॉल ऑफ विच कलर? ऑफ ब्ल्यू कलर. सो हाऊ मेनी ब्ल्यू कलर्स वी हॅव हियर? 5. सो दॅट 1 ब्ल्यू कलर बॉल विल गोइंग टू कम फ्रॉम व्हॉट? 5 ब्ल्यू. सो 5C1. सो हाऊ टू राईट दिस? 6 into 5 divide 2 into 1 into 5C1, always 5. So 2 3s are. So finally answer is what? 3 5s are 15 into 5. Okay. So what is my final answer going to be? Probability of an event is equal to what? What is number of event? 15 into 5 divide, what is number of sample space? 91 into 5. So 5 will get cancelled. So what is my answer? 15 upon 91. Write down this. Hope everyone clear this. Please note down this problem. Done with this? Please reply. Okay, great. Everyone is clear with this? take down second question. Question 2. A bag contains, see एका bag मध्ये, this is bag, one bag contains 3 red balls, 5 yellow balls and 7 pink balls. If one ball is drawn, if one ball is drawn, so here first find total number of balls, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3, 15, and we are supposed to draw only one ball. So if one ball is drawn at random, what is that? It is either pink or red. So we have to find what? That it is either pink or red. हे तुम्हाला find करायचं. Okay, great. So the question is what? I'll read that question again. Don't write it down, just write it down what? A bag contains 3 red balls. So your bag contains 3 red balls, 5 yellow balls and 7 pink balls. If one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is either pink or red? That it is either pink or red. Now see, as we know, now here the word is used what? Or. So what we will write here? Plus. Remember, or means what? Possibility. Now, see, we have to draw only one ball. So that one ball should have pink or red color. So obviously one ball will not have both the colors. So obviously we have to use what? Possibility. So what we'll do? First try to find number of sample space. What is number of samples? As I have told you, number of sample space depends on the number of balls you draw. So here we are drawing how many balls? Only one ball. So 15C1. So 15C1 is nothing but what? 15. And what is my number of event here going to be? Number of event either pink. So how many pink balls we have? 7. So from 7 I will only draw one ball because we are only supposed to draw one ball. Or means plus red balls. So how many red balls we have? 3. So 3C1. So finally 7C1 7, 3C1 3. This total comes to what? 10. So what is my answer? Probability of an event is equal to what? Is equal to number of event upon number of sample space. So what is my number of event? 10 upon what? 15. So if you divide by 5, 5 2s and 5 3s. So this is your answer. Please write it down. Yes, Aditi said 2 by 3. Very good, Aditi. Please write it down this and hope everyone is clear with this. Very simple chapter is this probability. तुमच्या एक्झामला आला तर 4 ते 5 मार्काला हमखास येतो. सो डोंट मिस दिस. Clear everyone with this? Okay, great. Okay, now we'll see question number 3. We'll try to cover all the type of questions today and tomorrow. So your concept of probability also will get clear. See, question number 3 says what? A bag contains 4 red balls, 5 yellow balls and 7 pink balls. 6 pink balls. So total number of balls we have in a bag is what? 15. 2 balls are drawn at random. So here we are supposed to draw only 2 balls. So 15C2. 2 balls are drawn at random. And they ask what is the probability that none of the balls drawn are in yellow color. none of the balls drawn are yellow in color. See, the question is what? You are supposed to draw two balls and none of the ball drawn are yellow in color. म्हणजे तुम्ही जे दोन बॉल ड्रॉ करणार आहात ते दोन्ही बॉल येल्लो कलरचे नको आहेत. ते कोणत्या कलरचे पाहिजेत ते त्यांनी आपल्याला सांगितलेलं नाहीये, बट त्यांनी आपल्याला एवढं सांगितलेलं आहे की ते येल्लो कलरचे नको आहेत. इट मीन्स व्हॉट? तुम्ही जे दोन बॉल इथून काढणार ते दोन बॉल येल्लोमधून येणार नाही. दिस इज कन्फर्म बिकॉज we don't want those two balls in which color? Yellow color. So it means those two balls may be in red color or pink color किंवा एक रेड किंवा एक पिंक काही असू शकतं. बट ते त्यांनी आपल्याला विचारलं. वी आर ओनली कन्सर्न विथ व्हॉट? दोज टू बॉल्स शुड नॉट बी येल्लो कलर. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड व्हॉट? नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल स्पेस. What is my number of sample space? How many balls we have? How total number of balls? 15, and we are going to draw how many balls? 2 balls. So how to do? 15 into 14 divide 2 into 1. So 2 sevens. So finally answer is what? 15 into 7. Either you do multiplication or let it be as it is only. 15 sevens are what? 105. And what is my number of event? Number of events says what? की ते दोन्ही बॉल येल्लो कलर मध्ये नको. तो येल्लो सोडून येल्लो कट करून किती बॉल राहिले? 6 आणि 4 10. मग ते दोन बॉल कशात नाही येणार? 10 मधनं. 10 C2. So I will write this 10 into 9, 2 into 1. So 2 5. So answer is what? 5 into 9. So let it be as it is only. So what is my final answer? Probability of an event is equal to what? Number of event upon number of sample space. So what is number of event? 5 into 9 divide what is number of sample space? 15 into 7. So 5 ones are 5, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9. So finally answer 3 by 7. Please write it down. Hope everyone is clear this. ग्रेट. हे झालं का लिहून तुमचा? प्लीज रिप्लाय. लिहून झाला असेल तर प्लीज रिप्लाय. सो मी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम घेतो. Great. Okay. Now I will give you one problem to you all. To all of you, please try to do. That is question number 4. Question number 4. A bag contains red 6, blue 4, green 2 and yellow 3. What is the probability that both are red? हे तुम्हाला फाइंड करायचं आहे. क्वेश्चन इज व्हॉट? अ बॅग कंटेन्स 6 रेड, 4 ब्ल्यू, 2 green and 3 yellow. So total number of balls we have in bag is what? 15. And they said if 2 balls are drawn, so how many balls we are supposed to draw? 2 balls. If 2 balls are drawn from bag, So what is the probability that both are red? Please find it out. Anyone who has got the answer? These two balls should be of red color. Huh? Very simple question is this. Aditi is saying 1 by 7. Okay, we'll just check it out. See, first what we will find number of sample space. 15C2, 15 into 14, divide 2 into 1, so 2 7, so 15 into 7, that is 105. We'll write as is only. And number of event, that the both ball should be of what? Both balls should be of what? Red color. Again, who has got the answer? Okay, Sonal is also saying 1 by 7. Okay, Krushal is saying 1 by 7, Pradna is saying 1 by 7. Let's see, we'll check it out. Number of event what? Those two balls should be of red color. So the दोन्ही balls जर red color पाहिजे असतील तो obviously ते red मधनच येणार. So how many red balls we have total? 6. So 6 C2. That is nothing but 6 into 5 divide what? 2 into 1. So 2 3 da. So finally 15. So answer is what? Probability of an event is equal to what? 15 upon 15 into 7. So 15 will get cancelled. So final answer is what? 1 by 7. Very good. So ज्यांना 1 by 7 मिळालंय. Very good. Great. Even Aditya saying 1 by 7. Very good. Okay. Now take one more problem to solve. Let's take question number 5. Same question. Here same bag. A bag contains 6 red, 4 blue, 2 green and 3 yellow. The same bag जी मी earlier दाखवली होती. Total number of balls, again here we'll have what? 15 balls. And now if 4 balls are drawn, so या 15 मधून किती बॉल काढायचे? 4 balls. If 4 balls are drawn, what is that at least one is blue? If that at least one is blue, हे तुम्हाला फाइंड करायचं. At least one is blue. See, now the question is what? A bag contains 6 red, 4 blue, 2 green, 3 yellow. Total number of balls in a bag of different color is 15, and we are supposed to draw how many balls? 4 balls. And त्या 4 ball मध्ये at least one ball should be of which color? Blue color. At least means what? Minimum one ball has to be of blue color, आणि maximum तो किती असेल? Blue 4 असणार. का total number of blue किती? 4, आणि आपल्याला बॉल पण किती काढायचे? 4. तर मिनिमम 1 आणि मॅक्झिमम किती असणार? 4. आणि मी लास्ट काल पण सांगितलं होतं, whenever they use at least or at most, so it means nothing but this question is based on what? Possibility. So obviously we will use what? Plus plus plus. So what are the possibility? At least one. So what is number of sample space? See, I will show you here. At least one is blue. हे आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे. And what is number of sample space now? Number of sample space is equal to what? Total number of ball 15 C4. So 15 into what? 14 into 13 into 12 divide 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are cancel, 2 7s are. So answer 15 into 91. 15 into 91. 13 sevens are 91, 15 as it is. 15 into 91, this is your number of sample phase. Don't go for multiplication, let it be as it is only, then only you will able to save a time. And what is number of event? Now see, number of event here, they have used word is what? At least. At least means what? Minimum 1, 2, minimum 1, किंवा 2, किंवा 3, किंवा 4. Because total number of blue balls we have what? 4. So what are the chances? See, जर तुम्हाला त्या 4 मध्ये कमीत कमी एक बॉल जर ब्ल्यू पाहिजे असेल तर ऑब्व्हियसली तो ब्ल्यू मधनच येईल. तो विल राईट लाईक दिस 4C1 into the rest is what? 11. Because see, blue जर गेले तर 6 to 9, 6 to 8 and 3 11. So 11C3. This is one combination. कारण 3 plus 1 किती व्हायला पाहिजेत 4 आणि वरच्यांची टोटल 11 plus 4 टोटल किती बॉल व्हायला पाहिजेत 15. किंवा म्हणजे प्लस बिकॉज हिअर दे हॅव यूज ॲटलिस्ट. किंवा आपण किती काढू शकतो 4C2 into 11C2. रिमेंबर दिस. और प्लस 4C3 into 11C1 और 4C4 into 11C0. Please write it down this. So these are the what possibility when they use at least. Remember this. So how do we solve this now? I will show you here. 4C1 4 into 11C3. How do you write? 11 into 10 into 9 divide 3 into 2 into 1. This is one bracket. Plus 4C2. What you will write? 4 into 3 divide 2 into 1 into 11 into 10 divide 2 into 1. This is another bracket. Plus what is in next bracket? 4C3, that is 4 into 11C1 11 plus 4C4 1 and 11C0 1. So find now see 3 3s are and 2 5s are. And then 2 2s are and 2 5s are. So finally your answer is going to be what? 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So 60 into 11, one bracket, plus 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 into 11. So 30 into 11, this is another bracket, plus 11 into 4, 44, 44 and plus 1 into 1, 1. Remember this. So here 660 plus 11 3s are 330 plus 44 plus 1. So write it down this. So this is 660 plus 330, that is 990 and 45. That is nothing but 990 and 45, that is 1035. 1035. So what is your final answer? Probability of an event is equal to what? What is number of event? 1035 divide 15 into 91. Now if you divide 15 ones are, so this will be a 69. So answer 69 upon 91. So this is your final answer. Please note it down. Hope everyone is clear with this. Please note it down. झालं की मला प्लीज सांगा. Now what we'll do, we'll take one more problem of same type. झालं सगळ्यांचं लिहून? प्लीज रिप्लाय. कृशाली, रुशाली, आदित्य, सुमित. Okay, now we'll take one more problem of same type, so you will get the idea. The next question is same question. In a bag, here we have a bag. In a bag there are 6 red balls. Total number of red balls are what? 6, and 9 green balls. So total number of balls comes to what? 15. So in a bag there are 15 balls of different colors. 2 balls are drawn at random. We are supposed to draw how many balls? 15C2. Only 2 balls supposed to draw. Then what is the probability that at least one of the ball drawn is red? So at least one of the ball drawn is red. See, now again the question is what? At least. So obviously at least means what? Again we'll have a what? Possibility. So we are going to use which sign? Plus sign in between that. And one of the balls drawn is what? Red color. Now pay attention. See, how many possibilities going to be form here? The only 2 possibilities going to form, because we are only supposed to draw 2 balls. In earlier case 4 possibilities form because we were drawing 4 balls. Now here we are only supposed to draw 2 balls, so there will be 2 possibilities. So what? Now pay attention. What is my number of sample space here? 15C2, 15C2. So that is nothing but what? 15 into 14 divide 2 into 1. So 2 7, so 15 into 7, let it be as it is. Directly answer is what? 105. And what is my number of event? See, they are telling at least one of the balls drawn is what? Red color. So we are only drawing what? How many balls? We are drawing 2 balls. त्या 2 balls मध्ये 1 ball has to be a what? Minimum 1 ball red. दोन्ही रेड पण चालतील, पण कमीत कमी एक काय असायला पाहिजे? रेड बॉल. सो तो एक रेड बॉल कशात नाही ना? रेड मधनं. सो रेडचे किती बॉल्स आहेत? 6 balls. So 6C1